Top 5 Best Long-Range Drones. Number 5. DJI Inspire 3. The Inspire 3 offers exceptional industry-level flight performance and a range of advanced features that make it perfect for cinematographers and professional filmmakers who need long-range use. With its advanced navigation systems, including obstacle avoidance sensors and GPS, it is easy to control and maintain flight stability even over long distances. The drone also features an extended battery life, allowing for up to 28 minutes of flight time, giving pilots the ability to fly for miles without stopping. The DJI Inspire 3 is equipped with advanced radio technology, cinema-grade O3 Pro video transmission, which provides reliable communication between the drone and the remote controller even at long distances, from 12 to 15 kilometers, making it a great choice for long-range drone use. Coming in number 4, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 has a maximum range of up to 25 kilometers and up to 51 minutes of flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Users can fly the drone for longer distances without worrying about the battery life. With DJI's current longest flight time by a whole 51 minutes, it's easy to see how this compact portable drone made the list. The drone also comes equipped with OcuSync 2.0 video transmission technology, which enables real-time video transmission to a mobile device. Additionally, the DJI Mini 3 is equipped with a high-resolution camera that captures 4K HDR videos, making it an ideal choice for users who want to capture aerial footage while flying their drone. The DJI Mini 3 also features advanced navigation systems, including GPS and GLONASS, ensuring that the drone stays on track and in control even at long distances. Coming in number 3, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a powerful and capable drone that is well suited for long-range use. This drone also offers a max travel distance of up to 30 kilometers and a max travel time of 46 minutes, making it an excellent option for users looking for a great all-around long-range drone. It boasts a long battery life and flight time, allowing pilots to fly for extended periods of time without needing to stop and recharge. The drone is equipped with the advanced OcuSync 3.0 communication system and software, which provides high-quality, low-latency video transmission, even at long distances. Additionally, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic features a powerful camera that can capture stunning aerial photos and videos, as well as advanced navigation systems and obstacle avoidance sensors that help ensure safe and controlled flight. All of these features make the DJI Mavic 3 Classic a great choice for long-range drone use. Coming in number 2, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a highly capable long-range drone, designed with features that make it a great choice for users who require performance and functionality in a compact, lightweight form factor. With a maximum flight distance of 32 kilometers and up to 46 minutes of flight time, this drone is perfect for users looking for a drone that can go longer distances and still capture high-quality images and videos with its 48-megapixel sensor. The Air 3 is equipped with advanced navigation systems, including GPS and Galileo. Furthermore, the drone uses the most recent DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission system for a highly stable, low-latency, and interference-resistant video transmission, making it a reliable and efficient choice for long-range drone pilots. Coming in number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. With a max travel distance of up to 28 kilometers and a max travel time of 43 minutes. This extended flight time makes the DJI Mavic 3 Pro an excellent choice for long-range use. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts a 5.1K capable primary Hasselblad camera, perfect for professional photographers and videographers. The drone also features the DJI's OcuSync 3.0 Plus communication system and software, allowing for stable and reliable video transmission from long distances. Furthermore, the drone's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, allowing pilots to take the drone with them on the go for extended, long-range flights.